Edges up folks, Arjun Bracky here from Torqueblade.com. Today I'm going to show you the second form from the Sentinel cardio conditioning program. This program here is, although it's designed to assist with non-Olympian style fencing, so it's more of a martial, less organized, like a machete type training. It has very many similar attributes. One of these is that it wants to strengthen the legs and also get the timing down for the strike and the footwork. And you know, it's a great program. I enjoy it quite a lot. And again, it has the evoke lifts which go along with it. Again, we use a torque blade as well because we don't go around with balanced tools, do we? So it's also designed for impromptu weapons use. So anything that you see is a weapon of opportunity. The other thing in this is that there's no martial application being taught in these videos. That's for something else at another time. This is merely a conditioning program. Okay, so that being said, I'll get on with the second form. Stay sharp. Okay, back in. So I'm using my aluminum torque blades here. These weigh the same amount of weight as wooden ones. Roughly 1.5 pounds, but obviously the load is at the other end. And why is that important? Well, if you read on some plyometrics, you'll see that the initial load, it's not so much that is what develops the speed, it's the ability to pull back. The braking part of it, the deceleration is what allows us to develop quickness. So when you have something which is heavier at the top end, it's going to allow you to change direction quickly. So when you come to things which are more balanced or less balanced, you have a greater chance at proprioception, or developing proprioception. Well, proprioception is the body's ability to develop balance and coordination in space and time, I think. Maybe I dreamt that. Anyway, so starting off, we're in the ready position here. In this drill, we're going to go down into a nice squat position, okay, making sure that our legs are parallel, and we're going to be striking on 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and then we change over, we do the opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I'm in this lead, right? So and from there, I'm going to make sure that I've got a nice low long stance, and the reason for that is because I want to stretch off my hip flexor and also develop strength in my lead leg, right, from that position here. So the first strike is going to go onto 1. My hand's going to be just resting up here for this one. Okay, so there's 1, or it can be by the side here. And then from there, there's a downward strike, and then we do an upward strike, back on that target, and then back. So it's 1, upward, there, then back. 2, upward, there, then back. 3, intercept, strike, then back. 4, intercept, strike, then back. 5, intercept, strike, then back. 6, intercept, strike, then back. Okay, then we do the weaving drill. 1, 2, 3, change over. Again, adopt a low stance, stretch off the rear hip flexor. 1, uppercut here. 2, intercept. 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now from the side, I'm going to shorten my stance a little bit here. Okay, so I'm going to bring my legs in a little bit closer. And from here, we're going to do a knee flexion on the uppercut strike. So here, we start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and again. Now you may have noticed I was doing something a little bit bad there. I'm trying to sort that out myself. Okay, so it's the load what I was talking about, loading back. That's a great tell. I'd be lying to say that I put it in there on purpose to show you. I didn't. I'm trying to correct that all the time. So here we load, here, uppercut, bring it back. And again, so we go on to 2, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6. Much better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Now with the proper sword form, and now we're going to do a little bit of locomotion. I'm going to go front on for this, so you can see why we're doing this. I'm actually vectoring as I disengage to the rear. So the first strike is when I move backwards, and the second strike is when I advance for the uppercut and close. So here we move backwards, 1 to there, reset, and then move in for 2. 2 for there, reset, 3, reset, 4, reset, 5, reset, 6, reset. Same on the opposite side, 1, reset, 2, reset, 3, reset, 4, reset, 5, reset, and 6. Reset. Now I'm going to do the same again, but from this angle here. Now what we do is put all this together with a closing or a finishing interception. We use 3 entries, and any one of those 3 entries we can start the drill off. Forehand, backhand, pin and thrust. Now, from the front, 1, 2, 3, vector, intercept, forehand, backhand, pin, and thrust. And you can see that I start off here, vector on this line, and enter back on this line. This is where the person is, unless they move, we move that way. The great thing about these blades is how it really wants you to snap here. which is good for interception and cutting through. Edges out, stay sharp. Catch you later.